go take a look in Meme's yard and see if we can find some birds. Because I can hear them all over the place.
We're so close.
See if you can see some.
I can't see so many big branches run away.
Well, we gotta look for them. Are they up in the trees? If it doesn't work out today, we can try again tomorrow. Can you see any birds? You know what, Evan, if you want, we could try it. We can try and do this first thing in the morning, because I know the birds usually come out first thing in the morning.
Okay.
Okay? So we can do this.
I'm not going back home until I find out the birds.
Okay. But I don't know if they're out right now. They usually are very chatty first thing in the morning.
I think